Hello everybody, this is a little video from a dash cam of November the 7th, delivering a load of cabinets to a new apartment complex down in Brunswick, Georgia. You can see right here I am stopping to engage my power divider because this coastal soil is really sandy. They're using a lot of laurels around here, and their tires are somewhat narrow and make pretty good ruts in here. Before I went in, they went with a front end loader that had some wider tires and flattened everything out a little bit for me. But there are a number of times where I started spinning. Not too bad, not enough to stop me, but almost. When I go around the corner of this building down here, you'll kind of see me slow down a little bit. It's ever so slightly, but I definitely slowed down and started spinning. Alright, right through here where the front end loader evidently quit, or they had a number of different vehicles come through here. If you'll see right there, I've got the wheel jacked to the left and it's still going straight. And now it catches and goes back to the right. And so I can get a good swing around the corner of this building to where they're actually going to unload me at. You're going to get blinded by the sun a little bit, but I'm making a big wide turn. There was a blue piece of pipe off to my left that had a lot of electrical and whatnot in it that they did not want to get run over again. Somebody else had been in there and run over it and broke the pipe. But here we are pulling up, and that right in front of me is a laurel. It's a forklift laurel. This is a better look at the soil and whatnot where the sun's shining a little bit later. And you can see the ruts and how it piles up, and that light color